Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can you hear, teacher? Hello. Can
Yes,
you hear, teacher? Yes or no? Yes, teacher.
yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. All right. So happy Friday again, Amaya. How's your
Yes,
day today?
good,
Oh, you're. Oh, what is it again?
good.
Good. Okay. So what did you do in school today?
Learn.
Ah,
You learned about things.
plan about things. What plan is that one? Why do you need to do some
We learned
plans?
about, huh?
Why do you need to learn about plans or planning?
No, no, no. I said we're learning something
Learning something?
like what subject are we gonna do? Math.
Yesterday we're going to have a
Ah,
math because or you're not yet mastered the adding numbers with the three-digit number with
um,
regrouping. Why?
that's because
That's
yes,
because what because?
because because I
Okay.
like don't I
Okay,
kind
so that's
that's
what we
because
are
I
going
kind
to
of don't like math.
do. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today, okay? You need to master for before we go on to the division again, okay?
Division
Okay. Yes. Oh,
to plus
let's
plus
have please listen to teacher. Let's have skip counting before we start. Skip counting by 6.
six. Oh,
Yes, ready, go. 6, 12.
6, 12, 18,
Mm-hmm.
24,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
30,
Mm-hmm.
36,
Mm-hmm.
42,
Mm-hmm.
48,
Mm-hmm.
54,
Mm-hmm.
60.
Okay, correct. So let's go on to the
Did
let's
I
have
miss something?
sige, because let's have 10 minutes for the skip counting.
10
Skip
minutes.
counting by
Why,
7.
why do I have
7.
10?
7 first.
7.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 7,
Mm-hmm.
14,
Mm-hmm.
21,
Mm-hmm.
28, 35, 42, 49, 56,
Mm-hmm.
64,
63.
63, 70.
Correct. Okay. Skip counting by 8. Go.
And
Yes. Go.
8, 16,
Mm-hmm.
8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 42,
Mm-hmm. 48.
48, 40. Ah, again.
Mm-hmm.
8, 16, 24,
Mm-hmm.
32,
Mm-hmm.
40, 48,
Mm-hmm.
56,
Mm-hmm.
54,
Mm-hmm.
72,
Mm-hmm.
80,
Correct. Skip counting by 9.
9. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
9, the hardest.
Mm-hmm.
9, 18, 26, 35,
Mm-hmm. 27. Repeat. 9, 18, 27.
9, 18, 27, 35, 40,
36. Repeat. 9, 18.
9, 18,
Mm-hmm.
27,
Mm-hmm.
36, 40, 40, 45,
Mm-hmm.
42,
Mm-hmm. Along.
54,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
63.
73, 72, 80.
Walang 80. 81, 72, 81, 90. Okay, repeat. Table of 9, then let's continue. Go.
Division or skip counting.
Skip counting first. Ready, go.
9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63,
Mm-hmm.
63, 72, 81, 90.
Correct. Okay. So before we start the lesson, let's do skip counting first so that you don't forget the multiplication table. Okay. So let's start
You
with
will
the
have multiplication.
please listen now. We're going to continue the addition with regrouping or the three-digit number, adding three-digit numbers. Okay, so kindly wait for teacher. So let's open it. Okay, where are we now? Because you're still confused with this one, so we still need to continue.
I don't know yet. I'm just only grade 2.
That's okay. So that's why we're doing it to master that. Okay, so let's have Amaya a little bit faster this time. We had this lesson for 2 days.
Wow.
Yes, for 2 days. Okay, so faster. I will be the one to type to make it fast. 4. Okay, 4 minus 0.
4.
4. 7 minus 4. 10. 9. 8.
Wait, I
6.
want to.
5. 4.
Can it be
3.
11?
2, 1. And that's why you need to make it fast. We had two. Oh, we had it already for 2 days. O, kaya dapat mas mabilis. Go. What's the answer?
Wait,
10.
3.
3. Oh, mas focus lang kasi Amaya. You need to focus so that it's easy for you to subtract. Next, what do we need?
And
What do
5.
we need to do? 5. Bring down.
5.
Bring down 5. So the answer for read the whole answer.
534.
Oh, you forgot to how to read it properly. 574 minus 40 is
534.
okay. Please do that one. Okay, for the next number. Okay, let's have 9 minus 8 minus 9.
That can be, so we're gonna change. So we're gonna borrow 8. It becomes 7, and then 8 will become 18.
Mm-hmm. So what will happen to 0? Oh, can you borrow 1 from the 0? No, 'di ba? You can
What
borrow. Wala kang
are
again, listen first kasi. You cannot borrow any number from 0 kasi wala siya, 'di ba? What do you need to do is get the 2. Anong number ba 'yan? What number is this one? 80. What if you 80 minus 1? Mm.
79?
79. Do
Um,
you think? Mhm. Okay, ilan ba yung hihiramin mo? 'Di ba you're going to
1.
borrow 1. O, sige, try natin kung tama yung answer mo. Okay, so make it 79, 'di ba? O, try natin. O, hindi ko pa sasabihin how do we do it. So, can we, o what will happen here now? Magiging
18.
18. O, sige, 18 minus 9.
18, 17, 16, 18, 17, 16, 15,
Faster.
14,
Mhm.
13, and 11, 12, 11,
Nasaan ka
10,
na?
9, 10,
Wala
9,
pa rin.
8, 7,
Mhm.
7.
Okay, so 18 minus 9 is, 9 ba yan? Oh, 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18, di ba? So, it's 9 pa rin. 9. So, oh, what's the answer now?
9.
Okay, it will be 0 on, ay, 9, ay, sorry, 9 minus 9, 0, 'di ba? 7 minus 5, 7
8.
fingers. Oh, remove the 5. Ilan yung natira?
2.
2. So the answer is 209. So this is how you do it. Okay? Amaya, listen, if it's, you cannot borrow anything from zero, get the two digit. It will be 80, di ba? We did it 80. So 80 minus 1, 79. Okay? So yan, para maging correct yung answer mo. Okay? Naintindihan ba? Next, 5 minus 2.
5 minus
Hmm.
2. 3.
3. 7 minus
5
3.
fingers. Take out 2. 1, 2, so 3.
Oh, next. 7 minus 3. Oh, a little bit fast. 7 minus 3. Hmm.
4.
4. Amaya, do yung yourself, di ba? 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh, so, 4 yung
That was
answer. Oh, next. 5 minus 4. 5. Hmm? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1. So, the answer is 143. Okay.
3.
Do yung method na, ito yung self mo, di ba? 8 yourself minus 7. So, 8, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, ano susunod? 8.
8.
Hmm. Nakalimutan ni Amaya yung ganong method ah. So, 8 minus 1. Ay,
8
8 minus 1, 8 minus 7 pala.
8.
8 yourself, remove the 7.
8.
Mhm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bakit yan? Di ba 8 yourself, 7 fingers, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 1. Oh, 9 minus 8.
9.
Then remove the 8.
8. 7, 6.
Isa na tayo.
9.
Mhm.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so 1. So bring down 2. So the answer is
411.
211. Okay, next. 3 minus 4.
3 minus 4.
Mm.
That can't be.
Oh, so what do we need to do?
Arrow.
Borrow from where?
9.
Why 9? Is this a 0?
No.
No, so you can borrow it. Borrow 1 from? Saan ka hiram
Zero.
ng 5? Ay, saan ka hiram ng 1? To put it in 3. Hmm? Hello, Amaya. You said that we cannot subtract 3 minus 4, right? Okay, borrow number or borrow 1 from what number? Saan ka hihiram?
This one becomes four.
Okay, so it will become 4. And what will happen to 3? It will become 13.
13.
13 minus 4. 13
Thirteen,
yourself. Then 4. 12.
12, 11, 10, 9.
Okay, so 9. So 13, 12, 11. Oh, are you sure? 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay, 9. Correct. 9. Next, what will happen to 5? It will become 4. 4 minus 8.
8.
4 minus 8. Can you subtract 4 and 8? No. So what do you need to do again?
Borrow 9.
Borrow 1 from what number?
Mm,
Where are you going to borrow 1?
2.
From? Saan ka
0.
hihiram ng 1 to make it
0.
14? Saan?
0.
Walang 0 dyan. Nasaan ang 0? Siyempre, hihiram ka ng 1 sa katabi niya. Sa 9. So, to make it 14, to make it 8 now. So, 14 minus 8 already. Oh, 14 minus 8.
14.
Mhm,
13.
mhm,
12, 11,
mhm.
10, 9, 8,
8,
7,
7,
8.
6. Oh, so, 6 na yan. Okay, ngayon, 8 minus 2 now. 8 minus 2?
Where's my school?
Mhm. 8 minus 2, 8 yourself, then 2.
8, 8,
7.
7,
Mm-hmm.
6,
Okay, so 6. So the answer is
669.
669. Focus ka lang. Mag-focus ka para hindi ka mawala. Okay, 3 minus 3.
That can be
3 minus 3. What's the answer?
3,
3. Alisin mo yung 3.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, 0. So 4 minus 6.
Nope.
Cannot
Borrow,
be.
borrow, borrow.
Where are you going to borrow?
From 6
From
to
6.
6.
So what will happen to 4?
Becomes 14.
14. What will happen to 6?
Becomes 5.
5. Oh, so 14 minus 6 now.
14 minus
Mm-mm.
14,
Mm-hmm.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Mm-hmm. So the answer is?
8.
Okay, so are you sure for 8? 14 minus 6.
Really?
is 8. So 8, correct, 8.
I answered
Oh,
3.
what will happen to 5 now?
Bring down.
Bring down. Okay, so a little bit more. Okay, do on your own. I will watch you. You're the one who will write in the screen. Focus. Hindi laro ha, mag-focus. Ready, go.
The number. Oh,
Oh,
wait. I'm not still done the 7. Still done.
okay, what's the answer?
367.
Okay, so correct. Next, let's have number 8.
I have to do my own again.
Yes.
Three 367 again.
Mm-hmm. Okay, correct. Next.
Oh, I have to do.
Excuse me. Excuse me again, sorry.
What happened? Are you sick?
Okay, all right. So correct. 708. Next. Okay, your turn, Amaya. Number 10. Mm-hmm. The answer.
326.
Okay, let me see. So 17 minus 9. What's your answer for 17 minus 9? No, why 6? 17 minus 9? No,
Then
it's
I'm
not
a
6.
mistake.
Change your answer. It's not 6.
17, 16, 15,
Hmm.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8. So
Mhm.
8,
The
8,
answer is
8.
mm. Oh, double check. I will not check it first. Double check your answer before I will check it. Mhm. Okay, what's your answer now? Is it okay now? Is all
Hmm.
your answers all okay now? No, not yet.
The 8 is like a heart. So I have
Mhm.
to do it perfectly.
Okay, so the important is you can answer it.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, what's your answer?
328.
Mm-hmm. Okay, eight. So three. Okay, very good. 328. Next, number 11.
Erase, 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 erase.
Oh.
Uh, what? Those are two numbers.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
That's
that's okay. Answer
that's
whatever you can see on the screen.
teacher, where are you going? Uh, 43.
Okay, 43. Next. Go, go, go.
9. 243.
200.
43.
243. So let's see. 9. Okay, 3. So 4. 9 minus 7. Okay, correct. Next, let's have the next one. Doing great. Just remember yung mga borrowing. Doon ka nahihirapan. Okay, so, alright. Wow. So, another one. Hindi pa tayo
What?
tapos. I want you
It's
to...
in
Okay, so only number last... Ay, hindi. Sige. What time
the fixed
pa?
one. The
Okay.
fixed.
Okay. So it's already time na din. Okay, so Amaya, skip
It's
counting,
all
still the same ha. Still practice pa rin
teacher, but
every day.
it's still one. It's still 159.
Okay, wait a moment because it's in my watch. It's already 2 o'clock. So sige. So but I still have the reminders. I will not end for I will not end pa. Okay, skip counting. Still practice it every day para hindi makalimutan. Then after that, what else? Ano pang gagawin mo? Division, practice mo din. You need to remember the numbers. Okay, the things that you need to remember in dividing. So hopefully if you don't have any school lesson, we can start
But my
division.
mom doesn't. But
Mhm.
my mom is not a teacher. She's a
Okay. All right. So just practice. You can ask a help from your tita or anyone in the house. Okay. Thank you, Amaya. See you again on Monday again. Goodbye. Thank you.